Good day everyone, I am Annalyn B. De La Cruz and today I am going to discuss the cosets. Since our table is isomorphic to the A sub 1, this means that the subgroup of our table are also isomorphic to the subgroup of the permutation group. So we will focus on the proper subgroup since our topic is cosets. So the next thing that we are going to do is to change the elements for the permutation group. So here is our proper subgroups now. We have A sub 2 is equal to beta sub 0, beta sub 1, beta sub 2, beta sub 3, beta sub 4, beta sub 5, beta sub 6, and beta sub 7. A sub 3 is equal to beta sub 0, beta sub 2, beta sub 4, beta sub 6, p sub 1, p sub 3, p sub 5, p sub 7. We have A sub 4 is equal to beta sub 0, beta sub 2, beta sub 4, beta sub 6, p sub 2, p sub 4, p sub 6, and p sub 8, and so on and so forth. Next is to identify the right and left concept of these subgroups. So let's start with the A sub 2. So A sub 2 contains B sub 0, B sub 1, B sub 2, B sub 3, B sub 4, B sub 5, B sub 6, and B sub 7. So we are just multiply the element of A sub 2 to A sub 2 itself. So for example, we have B sub 0 multiplied by the A sub 2. The A sub 2 contains B sub 0, B sub 1, B sub 2, B sub 3, and so on and so forth. So we will get B sub 0, B sub 1, B sub 2, B sub 3, B sub 4, B sub 5, B sub 6, and B sub 7. Next is the B sub 1 multiplied by A sub 2. So we will get B sub 1, B sub 2, B sub 3, B sub 4, B sub 5, B sub 6, B sub 7, and B sub 0, and so on and so forth. Next, we have the right cosets. So same with the left coset, we will just multiply A sub 2 to B sub 1. But this time, A sub 2 is on the left side while the B sub 1 is on the right side. So let's have example. B sub 0, B sub 1, B sub 2, B sub 3, B sub 4, B sub 5, B sub 6, B sub 7, or the A sub 2 multiply to B sub 1, we will get B sub 1, B sub 2, B sub 3, B sub 4, B sub 5, 6, 7, and B sub 0. Same with the next. We have A sub 2 is A sub 2 multiplied by B sub 2 is equal to B sub 2, B sub 3, B sub 4, B sub 5, B sub 6, 7, B sub 0, and B sub 1, and so on and so forth. Since the left and right cosets are not equal to each other, therefore this is not a normal subgroup. And the order of the factor group, since our subgroup is not normal, therefore the order of the factor group does not exist. So the index here is we have two cosets on the right coset. These are the B sub 1, B sub 2, B sub 2, B sub 3, B sub 4, B sub 5, 6, 7, and B sub 0. And P sub 1, P sub 2, P sub 3, P sub 4, P sub 5, P sub 6, P sub 7, and P sub 8. So the order of the element here is B sub 0 is equal to 1, B sub 1 is 2, B sub 2 is 2, B sub 3 is 2, B sub 4, 5, 6, and 7 is 2. Next, we have A sub 3. So on the left coset, we will just multiply B sub 1 to A sub 3. So B sub 1 multiplied by B sub 0, B sub 2, B sub 4, B sub 6, B sub 1, P sub 3, P sub 5, and P sub 7, we will get P sub 1, B sub 3, P sub 5, P sub 7, P sub 2, P sub 4, P sub 6, and P sub 8. Next is the right coset. We will just multiply a sub 3 to b sub 1. So we have here b sub 0, b sub 2, 4, 6 for the a sub 3. We will multiply it to b sub 1. We will get b sub 1, b sub 3, b sub 5, b sub 7, p sub 8, p sub 2, p sub 4, and p sub 6, and so on and so forth. So since left and right cosets are not the same, therefore it is not a normal subgroup. And the order of the factor does not exist because the subgroup is not normal subgroup. The index is we have two cosets on the right cosets. These are the b sub 0, b sub 3, b sub 5, b sub 7, p sub 8, p sub 2, p sub 4, and p sub 6. And we also the b sub 2, b sub 4, p sub 6, b sub 0, p sub 7, p sub 2, p sub 3, and p sub 5. So the order of the element for a sub 3 is b sub 0 is 1, b sub 1 is 2, b sub 2 to b sub 7 is 2. Next, we have a sub 4. So on the left coset, we have b sub 1 multiplied by a sub 4. So b sub 1 contains b sub 0, b sub 2, b sub 4, b sub 6, p sub 2, p sub 4, p sub 6, and p sub 8. So we will get b sub 1, b sub 3, b sub 5, p sub 7, p sub 3, p sub 5, p sub 7, and p sub 1. So on the left coset, we have a sub 4 times b sub 1. So as you can see here, the a sub 4 is on the left side while the b sub 1 is on the right side. So we have to multiply a sub 4 to b sub 1. So we will get b sub 1, b sub 3, b sub 5, b sub 7, p sub 1, p sub 3, p sub 5, and p sub 7, and so on and so forth. And as you can see, the right and left cosets are not the same or not equal to each other. Therefore, it is not a normal subgroup. And the order of the factor group does not exist because the subgroup is not a normal subgroup. So we have two cosets on the right coset. These are the b sub 1, b sub 3, b sub 5, b sub 7, p sub 1, p sub 3, p sub 5, and p sub 7. And the other coset is b sub 2, b sub 4, p sub 6, p sub 0, p sub 5, p sub 2, p sub 4, and p sub 6. So the order of the element for a sub 4 is b sub 0 is 1, and b sub 2, b sub 4, b sub 6, p sub 2, p sub 4, p sub 6, and p sub 8, is 2. So next, same with the previous, we will just multiply. So as you can see, the left and right cosets of a sub 5 is not same with each other. Therefore, it is not a normal subgroup. And the order of the subgroup or the order of the group does not exist because our subgroup is not normal. So we have four cosets on the right. So these are the b sub 1, b sub 5, p sub 8, and p sub 4. Next, we have b sub 2, b sub 6, p sub 7, and b sub 0. Next, we have b sub 3, b sub 7, p sub 6, and p sub 2. And lastly, we have p sub 4, p sub 0, p sub 5, and p sub 1. And the order of the element for the a sub 5 is b sub 0 is 1, b sub 4, p sub 1, and p sub 5 is 2. Next, we have a sub 6. So same with the previous. As you can see, the left and right cosets are not same. So this is not a normal subgroup. So the order of the factor group does not exist kasi nga the left or the subgroup is not normal. Next, for the index, we have 4 cosets on the right. We have b sub 1, b sub 5, b sub 2, b sub 6. Next, we have b sub 2, b sub 6, b sub 1, b sub 5. Next is b sub 3, b sub 7, b sub 5, and b sub 4. And lastly, b sub 4, b sub 6, b sub 7, and b sub 3. And the order of the elements for a sub 6 is b sub 0 is 1, b sub 4, b sub 3, and b sub 7 is 2. Next, we have a sub 8. So as you can see, it is a normal subgroup because the left and right cosets are equal to each other. And the order of the factor group, since we have 16 elements in our group and we have 2 elements in our subgroup, we will just divide it and we will get 8. We have the index. We have 8 cosets on the right cosets. So the order of the element for a sub 8 is b sub 0 is 1 and b sub 4 is 2. So next we have the a sub 9. Since left and right cosets are not equal, therefore the subgroup is not normal. And since the subgroup is not normal, therefore the order of the factor group does not exist. So the index here is we have 8 cosets on the right cosets. These are the first we have b sub 1 and b sub 8. Next b sub 2 and b sub 7. Next b sub 3 and b sub 6. Next b sub 4 and b sub 5. Next b sub 5 and b sub 4. Next b sub 6 and b sub 3, and so on and so forth. And the order of the element here is b sub 0 is 1 and b sub 1 is 2. Next we have the a sub 10. So as you can see, the left and right cosets are not equal. Therefore, this is not a normal subgroup. And the order of the factor group does not exist because subgroup is not normal. So the index is we have 8 cosets on the right. These are the b sub 1 and b sub 2, b sub 2 and b sub 3, b sub 3 and b sub 4, b sub 4 and b sub 5, b sub 5 and b sub 6, b sub 7 and b sub 7, b sub 7 and b sub 8, and lastly b sub 3 and b sub 0. And the order of the element for a sub 10 is b sub 0 is 1 and b sub 3 is 2. Next, as you can see on the a sub 11, the left and right cosets are not equal, so this is not a normal subgroup. And since our subgroup is not a normal subgroup, the order of the factor group does not exist. We have the 8 cosets on the right coset. These are the b sub 1 and b sub 6, b sub 2 and b sub 5, b sub 3 and b sub 4, b sub 4 and b sub 3, b sub 5 and b sub 2, b sub 6 and b sub 1, b sub 7 and b sub 8, and lastly b sub 0 to b sub 1. And the order of the element here is b sub 0 is 1 and b sub 7 is 2. Next, the a sub 12. So the subgroup here is not normal because left and right cosets are not the same. Since the subgroup is not a normal, therefore the order of the factor group does not exist. So we have 8 cosets on the right cosets, and the order of the element here is b sub 1 is 1 and b sub 2 is 2. Next is the a sub 13. So this is not a normal subgroup, so therefore the order of the factor group does not exist. We have 8 cosets on the right, and the order of the element b sub 0 is 1 and b sub 6 is 2. And lastly, the a sub 14 is not a normal subgroup, therefore the factor group does not exist. It has 8 cosets on the right, and the order of the element is b sub 0 is 1 and b sub 2 is 2. That's all for today. Thank you.